Okay, now let's continue. Now, this is a compound having how many carbon atoms? It's having 6 carbon atoms. Okay, and which is the functional group? It is carboxylic acid. That means what is the suffix? OIC acid. And there is an unsaturation here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbon atoms in the longest chain possible. So, your root word will be hex. And it's always necessary that you give the least position to the principal functional group. So you will start the carbon chain from this end. You will not start from this end. The functional group has to be given the least position possible. So 1 यहाँ से शुरू किया. So at the 5th position you are having a methyl group here. So when you write IUPAC name, what I told you, root word से पहले prefix, root word के बाद suffix. Suffix में क्या क्या आएगा? कार्बन चेन सैचुरेटेड है या अनसैचुरेटेड है, एंड सेकेंडरी सफिक्स की जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप का इंडिकेट करना है वो उसका सफिक्स जो आएगा. ठीक है, तो पहले रूट वर्ड से पहले क्या आएगा? प्रेफिक्स. प्रेफिक्स इज प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. जनरली सेकेंडरी प्रेफिक्स ही होता है. Primary prefix is telling you whether it is cyclic or acyclic. Okay. Now here you are having a simple substituent, that is methyl. So it is 5-methyl. Then your root word is hex. And between 2 and 3 there is a double bond. So 2-ene. Then at the first position there is oic acid. This is your secondary suffix. So the name will be 5-methyl hex 2-ene 1-oic acid, or you can also write it as 2-enoic acid. You can write it. Again, E will not come because it is starting with O. Right? Now let's come to the next one. Here root word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pent. Then you are having the principal functional group. You are also having a substituent. Substituent will come as a prefix and functional group will come as a suffix. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे prefix 4th position पे bromine. So it is 4-bromo. Then root word, that is pent. Again 2 और 3 के बीच में double bond है, तो 2-ene 1-ol. Exactly, it will come by practice only. You have to repeatedly practice to get hold of the IUPAC nomenclature. So remember, prefix, root word, suffix. Okay, should never forget this. और prefix में क्या क्या आएगा? साइक्लिक, एसाइक्लिक है, और कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है कार्बन चेन में वो आएगा प्रेफिक्स में. और सफिक्स में क्या आएगा? सैचुरेटेड, अनसैचुरेटेड है, और प्रिंसिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप का जो सफिक्स है वो आएगा. ठीक है, तो अब इसमें देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms. But which is the carbon chain holding the functional group? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the carbon chain holding the functional group. So you have to number the carbon chain. You have to take the carbon chain containing the functional group. And that carbon is numbered 1. Okay. There are 2 ways of numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4 भी किया. 1, 2, 3, 4 भी किया. Which is the right one? 1, 2, 3, 4 is the right one, because functional group has to be given the least number possible. So at the second position you are having an ethyl group, C2H5. This is ethyl. So the name will be 2-ethyl. I told you prefix will have substituent. Which is the substituent? Ethyl. Where position? Second position. 1 ये है, 2 ये है. ठीक है, so this is not to be counted, right? So 2-ethyl butane 1-ol, right? So that is how you have to name. Then come to the next one. Now look, what all are there, you see. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 कार्बन का चेन है. ठीक है, और एक और यहाँ पे ब्रांच है, ब्रांच में एक डबल बॉन्ड है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं था, ठीक है। तो डबल या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, उसको भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप की तरह मानना आपने। और अगर ऐसा अनसैचुरेशन किसी कार्बन चेन में है, दो चेन्स बन रहे हैं, एक चेन में अनसैचुरेशन है, एक में नहीं है, तो अनसैचुरेशन जिसमें है उस चेन को आपने मेन चेन मानना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। सो 1 2 3 4 5 6, दिस इज द चेन यू विल हैव टू take it. In spite of the fact, longest chain, if you take here, you will have 7 carbon atoms, you have to violate, but take this chain as the longest chain. Okay. Now once you have chosen this chain, now whether you have to number it from this end or from this end. Now here this is a ketonic group, is it not? Alkanone own group है, ठीक है, और ये डबल बॉन्ड है। अब इसमें प्रिंसिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप तो कीटोन है, so you have to give least position to the ketonic group, so you will start numbering from this end, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So between 5 and 6 there is a double bond. And what is this group? This is a 3 carbon chain which is called as propyl group. If it is CH3 it is methyl, if it is C2H5 it is ethyl, if it is C3H7 it is propyl. So 1 2 3 4. So first what you will write? You will write the prefix. Prefix में क्या आएगा? Substituent. Substituent क्या है? ये alkyl chain. So 4 propyl. आपका रूट वर्ड क्या है? 6 कार्बन का चेन है, तो हेक्स, देन उस कार्बन चेन में 5 और 6 के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है, तो हेक्स 5 इन, ठीक है। देन विच इज योर सेकेंडरी सफिक्स? कीटोन. So where is the position of ketone? It is at number 2. Ketone can never be at number 1. Okay. So it is 5-ene 2-one. This is the naming. Right? Now let's come to the next one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and this is again a ketone. This is your principal functional group, and you have to number from this side because it is getting number 3. If you number it from this end, this will be 4. You have to give the least number possible, so you will number the carbon chain from here. So at the 5th position there is a methyl group, so 5 methyl, and root word is hex. 6 carbon chain है, तो hex. और कार्बन में बीच में कोई डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है, सो इट इज AN. देन एट द 3rd पोजिशन देर इज ओन, दैट इज कीटोन. सो 5 methyl hexane 3 on. Now look how I am writing. There is no gap in between. ठीक है, अगर कोई नंबर आता है आगे पीछे दोनों साइड आपको हाइफन लगाना ज़रूरी है, ठीक है, और कोई अल्फाबेट कैपिटल में नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके. And wherever there is a number, there has to be a hyphen, after which only you have to start the wordings. Is that clear? You have to be very clear, and there should not be any gap while writing. Now come to the next one. Now here you find OH group. तो OH group containing carbon chain को main chain मानना है आपने. So 1 2 3 4 5. Is that clear? So this is a 5 carbon chain. Now if you number it from this end, then it is wrong because 5th position में OH आएगा, that is wrong. So you have to number it as 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है, you can take it as 1 2 3 4 5. इसको भी ले सकते हो या इसको भी ले सकते हो because the positions are same, alike. अगर इसको मानोगे ये दोनों सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स होंगे, अगर इस चेन को मानोगे ये दोनों सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स होंगे, बात बराबर है, ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज you have to apply here another rule which is called as lowest locant rule for the functional group. Wherever functional group is there, you have to remember that the functional group is given the least position possible. Okay. Now, that is one important condition. So now, what are these locants? Locants means any substituent or function group जो भी attached है, they are all called as locants. ठीक है? Now this is a locant, this is a locant. Okay? Now if you consider this as a chain, then this can be called as a locant. Or if you consider this as a chain, this can be called as a locant. ठीक है? तो locant कितने हैं अगर इसको आप एक substituent मानोगे? 1, 2, 3. इन दोनों की पोजीशन अगर लेफ्ट से नंबरिंग करोगे, 2 पे 2 substituents are there, so 2, 2 and then 1 at 4. This is a substituent. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 कितना है? 8. Sum of locants is 8. Now if I take the numbering from this side, then I will have at the second position there is one substituent, then at the fourth position there are 2 substituents. So you'll have 2 plus 4 plus 4. हर substituent का numbering आपने count करना है. ठीक है? So 2 plus 4 plus 4 कितना आ रहा है? 10. Okay. Now when you are talking about lowest locant rule, but then here the sum of locants here it is coming out to be 10, and it is mandatory that you have to give position 1 to this carbon because this is holding the function group. Is that clear? So you have to violate the lowest locant rule in such cases. This is the correct way of numbering. Okay, number the carbon chain in such a way that the functional group gets the lowest locant. Locant is nothing but position. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. Now here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 कार्बन का चेन है और क्या क्या है इसमें? एक कीटोन है जो प्रिंसिपल फंक्शन ग्रुप है, वो सेकेंडरी सफिक्स की तरह नाम देना है हमने. देन देयर इज अ डबल बॉन्ड एंड देयर इज ऑल्सो अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. ओके, नाउ हाउ डू वी नेम इट? रूट वर्ड क्या है? 8 कार्बन चेन है तो ऑक्ट इज अ रूट वर्ड. नाउ रूट वर्ड से पहले कोई सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है ही नहीं, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट नहीं है तो प्रीफिक्स है ही नहीं, तो सीधा रूट वर्ड से शुरू होगा. शुरू होके there is a double bond as well as a triple bond, and both of them have to be mentioned, and it is customary to mention double bond first followed by triple bond. ठीक है? So oct 3-ene, 3 और 4 के बीच में है तो 3-ene, then 6 और 7 के बीच में triple bond है तो 6-ine, then the position of the functional group is at the 2 position, which is ONE, that is your secondary suffix. So both of them are primary suffix. This is your secondary suffix. So this is your the compound's name. Okay. Now come to the next one. Now what is this? This is alkyl alkanoate. है क्या ये? This is an ester. ठीक है? RCOR is an ester. Now what is the name of the ester? Alkyl alkanoate. Okay, this alkyl comes first, then alkanoate. Okay, so this alkyl means what? O के साथ जो attached है, that is the first alkyl group that you will mention, which is ethyl. O के साथ जो attached है तो ethyl. Once you have identified that it is an ester, then वो carbonyl group को number 1 मान के number the carbon chain on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the second position there is bromine. So you will write ethyl. ये वाला ethyl सबसे पहले लिख दिया. उसके बाद 2 bromo. Then you will start numbering it from this carbon. Okay. You will not number this chain. ये वाला कार्बन हम मेन चेन में इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज बीच में O आ गया. ठीक है? So 2 bromo, then 1, 2, 3, 4 is not. So butanoic acid का ester है ये. So butanoate. Exactly, alkyl alkanoate. So butanoate. You write it like this. Right? Now see the next one. 5 carbon का chain है. Again no substituent. Okay. Triple bond is there. Root word is 5. So pent. 3 and 4 के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, so 3 आइन, and it is an aldehyde starting with vowel, so YNE नहीं आएगा, ठीक है, pent 3 ine 1 al. That's how you will write.